In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety have become unwelcome companions in our daily lives. The pressures of work, family, and societal expectations can weigh heavily on our minds and bodies. However, finding effective relief is not just a luxury, it is essential for our well-being and peace of mind. One of the most impactful techniques for managing stress and anxiety is mindfulness meditation. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath, you can cultivate a sense of presence and calm. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently return to your breath. This practice trains the mind to reduce rumination and enhances emotional resilience, leading to greater tranquility. Physical activity also plays a vital role in alleviating stress. Engaging in exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. Whether it's a brisk walk in nature, a vigorous yoga session, or dancing in your living room, moving your body can transform your mental state. The rhythmic nature of physical exertion allows worries to fade away, replacing them with a sense of accomplishment and vitality. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine can further enhance your stress management toolkit. Deep breathing exercises, for example, are simple yet powerful. Try inhaling deeply through your nose for a count of 4, holding that breath for 4 counts, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. This practice not only calms the nervous system, but also reduces physical tension, creating a sense of blissful peace. Social connections are another vital aspect of reducing stress and anxiety. Spend time with loved ones who uplift and support you. Sharing your feelings with others can lighten your emotional load and encourage a sense of belonging. Whether through a phone call, a coffee date, or simply connecting online, nurturing relationships fosters a community that promotes resilience. Moreover, don't underestimate the power of self-care. Take time to engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's reading, gardening, or indulging in a warm bath. Prioritizing your hobbies and interests replenishes your spirit and fosters a positive mindset. While stress and anxiety may be a part of life, they don't have to define you. By embracing mindfulness, physical activity, relaxation techniques, social connections, and self-care, you can navigate through life's challenges with grace and poise. Remember, it's about finding what resonates with you and committing to those practices that bring you peace.